Hello. If you're walking in the forest and you want to get in touch with the energy field of a tree, there's a very easy way. First of all, the tree has to welcome you. You have to ask the tree if it's possible that you can touch the tree trunk. And then you have to wait for the answer. And if there is a yes, you get closer to the energy field of the tree, and then your crown chakra is all the time open, and there's a contact over the crown chakra with your heart power, and this heart power of your heart chakra gets in contact with the tree. There's also a heart, the heart frequency of the tree. And you use your right hand to get in touch with the tree. Very slowly and very nice. You close your eyes, take a deep breath, and you have to feel the entity, this very, very deep and strong entity with this soft energy which is streaming through the tree to the light. And you are connected with the light. And now you take this breath through your right hand and you take this energy from the deep ground of the tree and stream it here in your heart field. And you can hold this nice energy which activates your cellular system. Then you send this nice energy to your root chakra and then to the right and the left feet. And this is very strong, a very strong energy, and feet. And this is very strong, a very strong energy, and in a couple of minutes you feel yourself like the power of the tree trunk, because this energy of the tree trunk is a part of your physical constitution. Hold this power and hold this performance, and you feel yourself fresh and powerful. Try it.